have a room for the night, for tonight. I had a room last night. They helped me get a room, but tomorrow I'll be back in the car. But just wanted to show you that we have an earthquake happening here in Utah, and they keep telling nothing about this stuff. But look at this lampshade. It's been doing this for the last few minutes. And it's just way out there. I've never seen anything like this. And I can feel it. It's rumbling and I feel the vibrations from the earthquake. But look what it's doing to this lampshade. Now don't tell me there's no earthquakes in Utah, because I guarantee you this proves it. Finally, I have some kind of proof